the food project for the Rohingya students.
We pray for all of you who have donated this project for our needy. Also, we very thankful for all of your partners for their needy. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Minangkabau from Saudara, Bangladesh. This is the food projects for the persecuted Rohingya students. The program is donated by the MMC Minangkabau Muslim Care, MMC Indonesia. So, but thanks to responsibility the charity for our needy, and so we need everything for our fisher, for our needy. So we grant for all of you who have been donated this charity for our needy. So we very thanks to all of your partners. These are Rohingya students staying under the shelter house of the Rohingya refugee camp. They have been located here for 3 years, and these are the teachers of them. There are lots of Rohingya students staying here in very bad conditions, so very thanks to responsibility for their needy. And they are very happy by getting the donations from you. Here are 15 students more staying here till now in very bad conditions. Thank you so much. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Minangkabau from Bangladesh Consular. This is the program for the widows of the persecuted Rohingya. This program depends on the force for the widows. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Minangkabau from Bangladesh Consular. This is the program of the children launched by the Minangkabau Muslim Care MMC Indonesia to the Rohingya refugee camp in Consular, Bangladesh.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa di subscribe, like, and comment.